Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal on PrizePicks. First of all, log into your PrizePicks account through the app or website. Go to the menu and select the deposit or payment methods option. Now, choose PayPal as your preferred payment method. If it's your first time using PayPal on PrizePicks, you will need to link your PayPal account. Log into the PayPal account when prompted and authorize the connection to PrizePicks. This ensures secure and easy transactions. Once your PayPal account is linked, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. Your funds should appear instantly in your PrizePicks balance. You can also withdraw your winnings to PayPal. Simply go to the withdrawal section, select PayPal and follow the prompts to complete the process. And that's it. Using PayPal on PrizePicks is fast, secure and convenient. Good luck and happy picking. Thanks for watching.